produce and products locally, regionally, and internationally. To enhance access to credit by farmers in the next financial year, we are allocating Kenya shillings 1 billion to the Agricultural Finance Corporation to provide affordable credit to farmers. Additionally, we are collaborating with the Afri-Exim Bank to provide another Kenya shillings 15 billion to AFC to support increased lending to our farmers in all the sectors that we are engaged in. The Indian Exim Bank will also support AFC to enhance our agricultural mechanization agenda, providing farm inputs to farmers at low rates and making sure that we use appropriate mechanization mechanisms. I want the people of Kenya to understand that our advocacy of integration is part of our traditional commitment to regional cohesion and solidarity. The Pan-African imperative and the expansion of market access and linkages with the trade investment counterparts for our producers beyond our borders is absolutely necessary. I stand here, therefore, to urge our farmers and other agriculture sector entrepreneurs to work with renewed confidence, with the assurance that the fruits of their labor will meet demand in Kenya, East Africa, common markets of Eastern and Southern Africa, and the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. Further abroad, we have secured quota-free and duty-free access to the 27-country European market for produce exports from Kenya farmers under the Economic Partnership Agreement signed between Kenya and the EU and recently ratified by Kenya, and 2 days ago ratified by the European Parliament. I also wish to report that during my recent visit to the US, we negotiated the renewal of the African Growth and Opportunities Act, an instrument which has enhanced access to the US market for African exports and catalyzed the rapid growth of Kenyan exports, especially in the textile and apparel sector. My call similarly applies to Kenyans from all walks of life. Let us keep working hard, embrace broader visions and dream more ambitious dreams to take the tide of freedom-up economic transformation that can sweep us all into our collective destiny of shared prosperity. Let me conclude by saying two final things. This stadium that has been built for the last 5 years or so, and all that space was not done. I want to commit to the people of Bungoma that the contractor will not leave site, and that the people in charge, especially the military officers in charge, will be here until this stadium is completed.
Haya, na ripoti hiyo ni tugukorwo tuwigwa